In our fast-paced, hyper-connected world, taking a moment to unplug and unwind can be a revitalizing experience. This summer, embark on a digital detox to restore balance and well-being. Begin by setting clear boundaries with technology, allocating specific times to check social media or emails. This boundary creates space for mindful disconnection. Substitute screen time with nature-infused activities, perhaps a walk in the park or a day spent at the beach. These activities help recuperate mental clarity and foster a deeper connection with yourself and your surroundings. Embrace the art of doing nothing. Quiet moments allow your mind to wander, sparking creativity and offering fresh perspectives. Lastly, ensure your evenings are screen-free to promote restful sleep. As summer unfolds, seize this opportunity to reset, reconnect, and rejuvenate, creating a harmonious balance between digital consumption and personal well-being.